welcome to my channel. My name is Coco and today I'll be showing you how I created this soft everyday glam. I start by prepping my eyes using my Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, then blending it out with my beauty blender. To set my concealer and bake underneath my eyes, I use the Coty Airspun translucent powder. For this look, I am going to use my Too Faced chocolate bar palette. I'm using the eyeshadow called Salted Caramel as a base color and transition shade. So I am going to continue to pack on the color and then blend with the fluffy brush to avoid any harsh edges. Next, I'm dipping into the darker brown shade called Semi Sweet to darken up my crease. To make this look a little more smoky, I am going to use the same fluffy brush that I used to blend out the transition shade to smoke out the darker brown. I will be using a pink shimmery shade called Marzipan to give myself a semi-cut crease to add a little bit of glam. Going back into the semi-sweet shade, I am going to darken the outer V to give my eyes a little more definition. For a little more pop of color, I used my finger to pick up the shade Champagne Truffle and place it on the middle of my eyelids. I used my finger to gently blend out the color, then used an eyeshadow brush to redefine my crease. Now I am going to use a clean fluffy brush to blend out any harsh edges. I am also going to define my eyes even more by adding more semi-sweet in the outer V. I am using the Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner to draw a simple cat eye and tightline my eyes. Here, I'm using an angled brush and a concealer to clean up my eyeshadow and my eyeliner. Taking a powder brush, I am going to dust off any excess powder that's left over from the bake. I am going to quickly curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I decided to curl and put mascara on because I wanted a more subtle glam look, but I wasn't satisfied, so I ended up putting on false lashes. The lashes that I am using are called Little Black Dress from Kiss. These lashes are definitely my go-to lashes because they're very comfortable and not too long. I find it hard for me to put on lashes when I do have my eyelashes curled, so I am just going to clean up any mistakes and hide the lash line using my eyeliner. Here is the final look, and thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very simple and easy, so if you do recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. Thank you. Bye.